How to restore machine default settings. First, you put flash drive inside. Where's the backup, you copy it. Then you reboot, it will come to this interface, right? Then you press the menu button. You can find the system parameters. Actually, yeah, it's somewhere here. You find that the first thing is make a backup. Parameter backup. You back to the flash drive. No, not system flash drive. You first back to system, doesn't matter. But now you make a backup in the flash drive. Put a name, any name. Then into a backup. Okay, it's done. Then this is how you recover the settings. Renew. Then you find from flash drive. You can find that file. Okay, to recover. But before doing that, you go back to the system parameters. You can find the factory setting. Then you press this to restore to factory default. After default, you reboot the machine. You switch off, switch on, and then do not homing. And then you back to here to find the parameters to restore this one. To restore over one you just saved, and for example this one, then you press enter. Then it will recover to machine settings that been backed up, and then reboot. This is where you find the file. You go to cncu.co.za, cncu.co.za. You find the EasyRoute, and in the EasyRoute you find the firmware. In the firmware you find the model. In this case, this model is this one. We haven't changed anything since this time. Then you save this file into the flash drive. Into the flash drive that you have to put it into your computer. Then you save this file. Okay, that's how you get this file.